water leak sensor with base station. So this is the base station right here. I'm gonna cover up a QR code on the back for connection. You have soft white pads. You have a speaker on the bottom, which puts out 100 dB sound alert, to USB, which you do get the cable and a power brick as well. And let's go ahead and give you a slight test here. I'm gonna go ahead and push that, as we can see right there. Okay, now after adding your base station to your app, then you need to go back into your app and add each individual water sensor, utility room. We'll do that one for where my tankless water heater is. Now, before you put these in the location, you do need to pair them. And then this is what your app should look like here. You can see the battery power percentages, the connection, water leak sensor 1, 2, and 3. In utility room, laundry room, guest bathroom, everything is online, connected to the base station. So now let's go ahead and drop them in the places where I want them. So I'll put one behind the washing machine right there. I'll put one down here below my tankless water heater right here, right below there. And this last third one we'll put below my guest bathroom vanity sink. And now I know you're super curious, so let's go to the guest bathroom. Let's put a drop of water on it, see if we get our push notification. Okay, so I have my phone and I have earplugs in right now because this is pretty loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone right here. I have a cup of water. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a drop right on the sensor, and we should see it. There we go, right there. One more drop. We have to get a drop right on the sensor or it won't function. But in a flooding situation, obviously it would go off, but a constant drip would get right on that sensor, and this should trigger it right about now, almost. Let me get it right on that sensor. There we go. So it dripped right there. Got my push notification, water detection leak, and my base station. So this is going, push notification, and my base station right here. Let's go ahead and hit that.
Alarm off.
Alarm off. Didn't want that to go too long. My puppy is right over here. That scared her. But definitely nice. That's going to wake you up in the middle of the night. You get a leaky water pipe burst, God forbid. And what we saw just a second ago was in the app, but here is your push notifications right here that came to the phone as well, triggered and then silenced, and the time frame. So if you're at the movies, out at dinner, you could call somebody and say, get over there, we got a leak. And then not to mention, so if it falls on, sorry for my dirty vanity, this is a full remodel. So if the water goes down and gets on the bottom sensor right there, so water building up or water dripping down, you got different options. Push notifications, base station alarm. I like what I'm seeing. Thumbs up in my book. And full disclosure, the company did send this out for free of charge so that I could make a test review video for the product. I thank you for your time and thank you for watching.